everyone, and welcome back to Keto Treat Day. Today I have made homemade butter cookies, and we're going to have it with unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Welcome back, everybody, to the best day of the week, the Keto Treat Day. And we all know it's the best day of the week. I am coming at you with a delicious sweet treat, butter cookies. Can't get any better than that, right? Now, I want to start by saying I apologize for the setup here. I normally do it in my living room when I do a treat day, but it is storming out. It's only like 5:30 or 6 o'clock, but it's as dark as can be, so you can't see me in the living room. So I needed to come into my salon. This is still my old home, and the lighting in here isn't that great, but it's way better than the living room, and I need you guys to see this treat, right? It's the best day of the week, so you got to be able to see what I got here. Anyways, I have made these. These are homemade. They are butter cookies. Like I said, who doesn't love a butter cookie? Yum. Remember though, butter cookie, butter means very high fat. So remember, this is a treat. It's not for every day of the week. It is for a dirty keto day, or it is for somebody in maintenance mode and just once in a while. That's why it's called the treat. So just be careful. They are 14 grams of fat for one cookie, but they are only one carb. So that's awesome. The ingredients real quick, I got a little slideshow at the end for you, the information, all that, all linked down in the box too. I make it simple for you guys. But what it is almond flour, butter, egg, vanilla extract, and liquid stevia. You're gonna mix it all up. You're gonna roll them in little balls. You're gonna preheat your oven to 300 first. You're gonna roll them into little balls on a greased pan. I did olive oil. You'll see all of that at the end. After about 5 minutes, you're gonna reach in and push them down with a fork and then cook them again for about another 18 to 20 minutes. Awesome, and a great way to give your child a cookie without any guilt, yourself without any guilt, except for the fat part. But remember, we can have that once in a while because this is keto. Keto is a high-fat diet. But when trying to lose weight, we're gonna use our body fat and have these once in a while. My favorite cookie in the world is a butter cookie, so I was pretty excited to make these guys for you, or these guys. Yeah, well, these cookies. I was excited to make these guys for you. So I love butter cookies, and so I'm gonna try one for you guys and tell you what I think. At the very end, I did take a pack of stevia too and just kind of sprinkle over each one just to give it a little bit more sweetness to it, because of course, a butter cookie isn't real sweet if you know that. So let's dig in. Let's try one. Now, like I said, they're about the size of a baby bell. They're not real big, but we don't need them real big, right? So. Oh my God. I have missed butter cookies so much. It was one of my downfall before keto. Oh my gosh, now I can have them and love them. I love them. Again, I was right. They're not super sweet, but that's good because we don't want them super sweet, right? Now when you're eating a butter cookie, oh my gosh, that is so good. My grandmother would love these. She was from England. She would love these. She loved butter cookies. My mother-in-law loves butter cookies too. But oh my God, are these good. Let's dip it in a little bit of almond milk here. Yum. Oh my God, I love them so much, you guys. Holy crap. I'm going to have somebody hide these. No, I'm tough. It'll take me a long time to eat these, or I'll have my husband eat them. Yum. Now, the only thing I can think of to make it a little bit sweeter is maybe add, it called for 1 teaspoon of, I did it with 1 teaspoon of liquid stevia, because liquid stevia is pretty sweet. And I did a full teaspoon of it, but maybe it could maybe be a teaspoon and a half to make it a little sweeter, but I like them just like this. If you are a true butter cookie lover, you're going to know what I'm talking about. We don't like them real sweet. Oh my God, these are so good, everybody. I'm serious. You definitely got to try these. Oh my gosh, I want to eat another one because like I said, I was a butter cookie lover. They were my favorite. I think that's why I liked them so much because I wasn't a real big sweet eater. I didn't like sweets as much as a lot of other people do. I liked my stuff, if it was sweet, to be barely sweet. Like if I had chocolate milk, it was 90% white milk and a little tiny bit of chocolate milk. I didn't like things real sweet. So that's why I loved butter cookies. And these are absolutely amazing. Super excited to bring these out to you guys, an actual recipe now. Next week will be another recipe again for you guys. It's going to be a salty one. I'm excited to share that one with you guys. So, and I think by then I will already be at my brother's living there. I'm not sure. If not, then I'll do one more here and then I'll be over there, but I'm not sure. But hopefully I can get the video out. Like I said, I might have to take a whole week off next week. If I can get the videos in, I will, but understand I'm moving, I'm unpacking things, bringing boxes in and doing all of that. So I might have to take a week off. If I do, I will kind of just throw in a little video just explaining that I will be taking the week off. I'll just do that for you guys if I do. But anyways, definitely try these out. Like I said, there's a slideshow after this explaining exactly how to make them. They were so easy to make and absolutely delicious, especially if you like a cookie that isn't real sweet. I'm sure there's a way of making these a little bit sweeter if you wanted to, but I like them just the way they are. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you will try these out. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification so you don't miss any videos like this. And link down in this box, I'm going to have my other channel, which is my nails, toes, and outfits of the day, which I do load in here too. But as soon as the Angels Heavenly Nails channel gets really big, then this will all be just keto. So help this channel to grow and help that one to grow, especially that one. So, but anyways, definitely give these a try. Use them for only a dirty keto day or people in maintenance mode and just do it once in a while. Great treat to bring for the holidays. We do got holidays coming up. So it's a great way to bring this, for the holidays or just a get together or just for you every once in a while to have a treat. So, but anyways, I love you guys very much. Everybody take care. God bless. And don't ever forget to always keep it keto.